Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Shafter local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the right skilled long-distance moving solutions to help make your move so much simpler. Selecting our crew to help you means your cross-country relocation is going to go efficiently. Moving isn't easy. However, using the best moving services can certainly make things a lot simpler. Hiring our team gives you easy access to all of the essential moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you want to hire a California moving company, rationalizing the cost may seem a little hard. A better look at the benefits you get from a local moving company can help you realize that it's a wise choice. Any decent moving company will help you save time on your local move. Movers can also make sure you don't have to stress over injury, since you will not need to do any heavy lifting. When you hire our movers, you receive professionals ready to make your local move incredibly simple. When moving with a local company like 3 Movers, you obtain a structured process for moving day. Moving locally can be very fast, and our crew can deal with even a large move in just one morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Shafter moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.